Hello everyone, it's Colette, and for day 6 in my 12 Days of Christmas series, we're going to be working on this Midnight Snowfall. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors I'll be using today are from Holo. For my base color, I'm going to be using one coat black. Then I'm going to be topping that with Silver Flake, Reflective Taco, Scattered Holo, and then the stamping is going to be done in World's First. For the stamping, I'm going to be using the MoYou London Crystal Collection 02 plate, and I'm going to be using this snowflake here. I'm going to apply the polish in the opposite direction that I'll be scraping, and then applying it to the tip of my nails. Once the stamping is complete, make sure there aren't any flyaways at the edges. And then I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat. And as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. It's almost hard to tell at a glance that there are 3 toppers used here, but I think they all contribute to the final finish. And I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can have a better look. Of course, if you'd like to see the extended tutorial, that's up now over on my VOD channel. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. Or if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.